Welcome back to my vlog, and today's video is going to be about main drain covers and going over the main ones that we see in Florida on our main drains on public swimming pools. And then I'm going to talk to you about the form that should be filed with the Department of Health when you change one of these drain covers out, and I'll show you on the website where you would find that form. So first off, let's show this main drain cover first. This is a Hayward. It's a very common VGB main drain cover that we see in Florida. The other one that we have here is a Waterway Plastics, another very common main drain cover that we will have that is VGB approved for 2008. And then this one is the Custom Molded Products, or CMP. Not as common, but we are seeing some of them out there. And then this is the other common one that we're seeing out there. It's the Aquastar, and you'll notice that it has the star in the very center here, and that's what makes it noticeable as the Aquastar cover. So these are the four most common ones that we see in Florida on our main drains on our public pools. And the form that you want to file with the Department of Health is called the Pool and Spa Main Drain Grate Cover Retrofit, and you fill it out completely except for the bottom section, and that's filled out by the inspector for the pool from the Department of Health. So one thing that they don't have on the form that's good to write on there is the expiration date or installation date, so that we know when it expires, because these different drain covers have different lifespans or an expiration date after they're installed, which means they have to be changed out. So let's go to the Department of Health website. So this is the Department of Health website, and what it would look like when you go to your computer, and it's going to have the Florida Health insignia on it. And if you go under environmental health, you go to public swimming pools under water programs. You go to that, and it brings you up to this page here. For the VGB Virginia Grand Baker, you're going to go all the way down to this tab here and click that. It's going to open up all these different things that you can download. So there's the code compliant drain list by company. So we were talking about the Aquastar main drain has an expiration of 5 years. Let's find our next one. Custom Molded Products has a lifespan of 7 years, which means it expires after 7 years after installation. Then we've got Hayward. The Hayward drain cover is going to have a lifespan of 7 years. And then the last one that we had is the Waterway Plastics, and that has a lifespan of 7 years as well. So that's the approved drain cover list that meets the VGB rule. The other thing on here we're going to talk about in a later video about safety entrapment and the other devices if your pool is under exception.